Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to change a user's work status in Monday.com. So once you log into Monday.com, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to change a user's working status, all you need to do is go to your initials down the bottom left hand corner here, press those and then you can see you've got the quick two options, do not disturb on or off. And then we have, if we press the more or hover over the more button, a few other options. Family time, working outside, out of office, on break, out sick, working from home. So do not disturb, really useful if you want to let your colleagues know that you are busy doing something, or if you're out of office, on holiday, etc. you can put these on as well. So a really quick, useful way of updating what you're doing for your colleagues. And that is how to update your working status in Monday.com. I hope this video has clearly explained how to change a user's work status in Monday.com. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.